This property is a 3-bedroom, 3 full baths, and 1/2 bath, contemporary design home. This property is listed for $465,000. Interior features of this property include a separate laundry room, walk-in closets, hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, a sunroom, an eat-in kitchen, a full basement, built-in bookshelves, crown molding, natural gas heat, and a family room. On the outside, this property features an attached garage and a deck. Community amenities include a swimming pool, a tennis facility, and a community clubhouse. The approximate square footage is 3,594 square feet. This property is represented by
Carole Glick with Long and Foster.